Homeless Youth. The title of our presentation is One Step at a Time with Andrew Webb, Chase Dean, Prince Harris, Gage, myself, and MS Skaggs. Homeless affects approximately 372 million people in the United States. Of those, 7% are under the age of 25 and living on their own. In 2018, close to 500,000 individuals experienced homelessness in a single night. Being homeless comes with many hardships, like not having basic needs such as food and shelter, and further. Many of the homeless people suffer from undiagnosed mental illnesses, sexual victimization, sexual transmitted diseases, discrimination, suicidal ideation, and self-harm and suicide. Homeless youth are incredibly vulnerable in such development, important time in their life. At such an early age, youth lack the mental maturity to live on their own, which leads to them with risky behaviors. Under these harsh conditions, they are put into dangerous situations just to get basic needs. Kids are taken advantage of and thrown into culture that scares them for life. Without help, they fall into victimization of homelessness. Unable to attend school and get their education that could assist them to strive for a better life, more likely to get put in the juvenile justice system, creating a record of future jail time, creating a reliance of substance to numb the pain. I cannot but notice all of the makeshift campsites around town and wonder how can we help our homeless neighbors. Our city council members proposed using a vacant lot downtown Eugene to put plans, but the plans have eventually fallen through. While I do think we need to provide shelter and meals to the homeless, I think there is a greater conversation that needs to happen. Homeless, especially in those under 24 years of age, appears to be on the rise here in Eugene, and believe more should be done to help with the mental health issues, substance use, and job training. How can we afford housing if there have no place to shower or wash clothes? How can one hold a job if living with untreated mental illnesses and weaning them down? We need the city to commit funds to a space modeling programs like in Eugene Missions Street, Vincent D. Paul. There are many organizations in Eugene that assist housing, jobs, clothing, and food. We would like to address what those lack: mental health, substance abuse, and academic possibility. It is shown that those who spend about a 2-week period as a teen end up chronically homeless. For the number of homeless adults to go down, we must act at the beginning. Throughout our programs, we hope to give those experiencing homelessness an opportunity for a better life. We hope to drop the rates of student dropouts due to the homelessness. We strive to show that these kids do not have to navigate academics and life alone. We will be providing mental health concealing substance abuse, counseling, and tutoring services. Our facilities will also have bathroom, showers, and kitchens. There will also be sleeping centers for those in dire need of shelter. These facilities is open to those on the streets, couch surfing, and who don't have a place to call home or a family to turn to. So in our budget, we're initially going to be taking $250,000 is what we're going to be asking for. $15,000 would be the cost of building possibly for the lot, staffing $5,000 a month for any volunteers that would possibly work there, or even full-time or part-time employees to even further the education or counseling. That would include counselors, teachers, and even other staff members that will play a role in helping these kids. We would do opening events. The opening events would generally be events that take place to try and let them know that they're not alone and that there always is this facility to go to. $4,000 does seem like kind of like a lot at first to have opening events, but when you take into account how many people in the United States are homeless, and especially here in Oregon, Eugene and Portland are two of the highest populated homeless state or cities the United States. So $4,000 might seem a lot, but really it would go a long way and allow us to provide the facility that we need to help these people. $6,000 as the come expenses. $6,000 is just generally to have as that extra money for any other expenses that we do need, like supplies, cleaning stuff. Obviously, we got to keep the facility clean. A lot of them come in with other diseases and stuff like that, and we just want to make it more of a homier environment for them. We're just trying to work on making sure our facility is clean and have no exposure to other diseases as well as bacteria, allowing them to have a safe, comfortable living facility. Our timeline, we're going to start in June. Hopefully by June, we would have most of the paperwork done for contracting and stuff like that. And then as the time goes on, build the facility. And by August 20th, we would hopefully be able to have full staff members as well as have the facility open and allow us to accumulate those people to get better and get well. Basically, this timeline is representing the time we start building the facility till the time it gets done, and then the time from where the blue goes to the red. That time period is basically us trying to help these kids, get them mentally stable, get them back on track on their education, and get them back on their feet right before school starts, hoping that that can allow them to either get a job during August, accumulate some cash, get some funding for them, and then when school starts to roll around, they can join the school program and get their education and get back on top of how important it is, so then they can have a better future for themselves. That is it for our presentation. I hope you enjoyed. We talked about a lot of stuff in this presentation. Our main topic was talking about homelessness with the youth. Youth is a very big common issue because kids are even born as homeless and they don't know any different. They don't know anything else. They grew up with no education, no money, nothing like that. And we're trying to start a facility or a program that has the ability to give them that option and be able to get their lives a better chance and give them a fighting chance in this world, because when you start from the bottom, it's really hard to work your way up to the top. Thank you so much.